Dobosz vs. Massing, 1991. Opening trap in the Benko Gambit Declined. Today we're diving into a short, brutal chess trap where one wrong queen move sends black's game into the abyss. This is Dobosz vs. Massing, Goch 1991, a Benko Gambit Declined that turns into total disaster for black in just 14 moves. Let's break it down move by move. Chess pawn move by move analysis. First move white begins with d4, then black replies with knight f6. White starts with the classic queen's pawn opening. Black responds with knight to f6 flexible, preparing Indian defenses. Second move white plays c4, then black replies with c5. Black goes for an immediate counterattack in the center. This is heading toward the Benko Gambit territory. Third move white plays d5, then black replies with b5. Here's the Benko Gambit offer. Black sacrifices the b-pawn for long-term queenside pressure. Fourth move white plays knight d2, then black replies with queen f5. White declines. Instead of grabbing the pawn, white plays the quiet line, keeping the pawn chain solid and preparing e4 later. Fifth move white plays e4, then black replies with knight takes e4. Black snatches a pawn in the center, but this knight move is risky. The knight is deep in enemy territory. Sixth move white plays b4. White hits back instantly, attacking the queen and putting the initiative in white's hands. Sixth move black replies with queen takes b4. Black accepts the challenge and takes the pawn, but this queen is now dangerously exposed. Seventh move white plays rook b1. Rook jumps into action, attacking the queen with tempo. Seventh move black replies with queen c3. Eighth move rook takes b5. White keeps harassing the queen and grabs the pawn on b5. Material is now equal, but white has a huge lead in development. Eighth move black replies with queen d4. Black tries to counter, offering a queen trade, but ninth move white plays knight takes e4. White calmly takes the free pawn and hits the queen again. Ninth move black replies with queen takes e4 check. Black gives a check, hopping to ease the pressure. 10th move white plays bishop e3. Blocking with the bishop, defending everything and preparing to castle. 10th move black replies with g6. Black tries to develop the dark squared bishop, but this just opens more holes. 11th move white plays knight f3. White develops another piece with tempo, attacking the queen again. 11th move black replies with bishop g7. Finally, black develops the bishop, but the king is still stuck in the center. 12th move white plays bishop d3. White piles on pressure. That queen is running out of safe squares. 12th move black replies with queen g4. Black's queen is desperately looking for counterplay. 13th move white plays h3. The queen is hit again. 13th move black replies with queen takes g2. Black greedily takes the pawn, thinking they're safe, but this is the final blunder. 14th move white plays rook h2. Beautiful rook lift, trapping the queen completely. Black resigns immediately. In just 14 moves, white punished overextension, exposed the enemy queen, and used rapid development to spring a deadly trap. The Benko Gambit Declined isn't always quiet. Sometimes it's a lightning strike. If you enjoyed this quick knockout, hit that like button, subscribe for more deadly traps, and comment below. Have you ever trapped your opponent's queen this early? See you in the next video.